Hi, I'm Sierra Wagner, and I've been doing yoga since I was 13. It's always been there for me. I started teaching when I was 18 with the guidance of my teachers and have really enjoyed serving others and seeing how yoga has helped them like it's helped me through so much. So that's a little bit about me. This is going to be the sequence I guide you through today. So for this, you'll want possibly something to sit up on to begin with as we do a little seated centering practice. I'm sitting on a bolster. You can sit directly on the floor or on a block or a blanket, but something where you have your knees lower than your hips. So you've got good pelvic alignment and the spine is able to lift vertically. Soften or close down the eyes. Landing here. Feeling the sitting bones on the floor. Groundedness of your lower body as it touches the earth. Lifting out of the base of the pelvis upwards through the spine. Take a nice deep breath in. Filling belly, diaphragm, and chest. Exhale slowly out. Relax your shoulders down and back. Continue to watch your breath. Notice your sensations, your thoughts, and your feelings as a witness with a non-judgmental attitude. And we'll come from here onto our mat, removing any props you have. And let's start in a child's pose. So bring your toes together, your knees apart. Lay your body down on the ground. Stretch the arms forward, forehead to floor. Relaxing here for a few deep breaths. Notice the breath in the back of your body. Relaxing open the back of your body and your hips, your shoulders, and your neck. And then giving a little bit of a constriction to the neck. You can begin to hear the breath moving in and out of the throat, like a little whisper. All of these waves of sound, listening to the breath coming in and the breath going out. From here, come up to hands and knees, placing your hands under your shoulders, spread your fingers, the knees under the hips, lengthen your spine. Take a deep breath in, lift your head and your tailbone up towards the sky. Exhale, tuck your head in your tail, gather the abs toward the spine, push the floor away. And inhale, going at a pleasurable pace for you. Open belly and chest, throat. Exhale, curl. Tucking chin to chest. Inhale, lift. One more series. And exhale, curl in. Inhale now back to head and tail, opening up towards the sky, keeping the tailbone up. Lift the hips up, press the floor away, feeling the weight in your hands. Open your fingers, cast the weight forward from the heel of your hands towards the knuckles and fingertips. Strengthening the arms, hug them together. Lift the underarms and armpits away from the floor. Lift the tailbone up high towards the sky. Take a few deep breaths here, using that victorious breath, Ujjayi Pranayama. On your next inhalation, as the tailbone lifts up and back, bring that right foot up towards the sky. As you exhale, bend the knee, hug it towards the nose, engage the abs, step your right foot forward. Take a nice deep breath in as you lift the arms, crescent lunge. Exhale down into the feet, lower the hips. Inhale up alongside the spine, sides of the body, through the fingertips as the palms face forward. On your next exhalation, ground the back heel, step it back so it's in alignment with the front foot. Back arch lines with the front foot. Arms go parallel to the floor and lower and down into the hips. Press the feet to the floor, hug the legs together. Lengthen upwards through the spine. Extend outwards through the fingertips and lengthen your gaze out past your front hand. Find your breath and follow it. Placing the front knee over the ankle and towards the little toe side of the foot to keep the hip open, inner thigh long. With your next inhalation, lengthen up again through the sides of your body. Then exhale, bring your right forearm to your right thigh. Left arm alongside the ear, side angle pose. As you breathe and continue to lengthen through the legs into all four corners of the feet, especially the outside line of the back foot. Lift from the pelvic floor upwards through the torso. Turn open the chest. If it's comfortable for your neck, look past your top arm in a nice long diagonal line, twisting the neck to the left. On your next inhale, bring yourself back up again. Bring that back hand down to the back leg. Right arm up and over. Still staying low. Bend your front knee over the little toe side of your foot. Take a nice deep breath in. Lengthen your right side body open. Exhaling. Continue to deepen into the lunge. Lower the hips. One more deep breath here. In and out. On your next exhalation, come down, frame the front foot with your hands, palms to the earth, spread the fingers wide, step your right foot back, high plank or knees, chest, chin, slowly lower down, bend the elbows in and back. Inhale to a cobra, lifting head and chest, or an up dog as you straighten the arms and bring the hips off the floor. Exhale into downward facing dog again, that high inverted knee. Drop the head and relax the neck. Take 5 deep breaths here. With your next breath in, taking the weight to the right foot, bring the left leg up and back in alignment with the spine. push into the arms. Exhale, tuck the knee to the nose, pull your foot in between your hands, and inhale into a high crescent lunge. Ground down, pushing the front foot into the earth, lengthen the back leg back, lifting the thigh bone. Square the hips and shoulders towards the front of the room. Soften the tops of the shoulders as you lengthen the sides of the neck. One more breath here. Reach long through the sides of your body and arms up. As you exhale, turn that back heel in. Once again, finding that T alignment as the front heel follows the same line as the back inner arch of the foot. Drop the front knee into alignment with the ankle. Spinning that back thigh bone in and the front thigh bone open, externally rotating. The chest stays parallel to the long edge of your mat, and slowly take your gaze out past the front hand. With your next in breath, lengthen through the side bodies, crown of the head. Exhale, forearm to front thigh, pushing into that front thigh. Keep long and lifted, and extend your top arm alongside your ear. So we want to be mindful not to depend on that bottom arm and really push and sag into the shoulder. So push into the thigh with your forearm. Stay long through both sides of your waist. Bring the back heel and little toe side of your foot down, lifting the inner back thigh and leg away from the floor. Away from that, extend the top arm long. Reach it past you and open the chest, turn your head. Breathe here. Coming back to that witness mind. Aware of this present moment, all the thoughts, sensations, feelings happening here. With your next inhale, we're going to reverse that warrior. Come up, extend long through that back arm and reach it down the back leg. Open up the left side body, extend through the top arm, bend into the knee, open the hips. Roll open the chest, top shoulder back, and turn your gaze to look past that top arm. Last breath here, let yourself deepen into the lunge. And then rotate. Inhale, step your left foot back. High plank or knees down, then chest and chin. Keeping the core engaged. Again, you could come into cobra or upward facing dog. Cobras with elbows bent. Upward facing dog, arms straight and strong. And then on your exhalation, downward facing dog. Once again, lengthening heels towards the earth as the sitting bones rise. Slowing down the breath with those victorious breaths. When we gather some narrowing into the throat, it helps us slow the breath as well as just be more aware of it. So this is the chance, breathing in and out through the nose. One more breath here in downward facing dog. And then coming down to your knees, we're going to finish our practice with Shavasana. You can flip over onto your back side, rolling the spine onto the ground. Rest your body out in a full supine position. Option to have your palms turning up. You're feeling more receptive, inviting in energy. Palms facing down. If you're Feeling more inward, wanting to hold your energy in. Relax the front of your body into the back of your body. Release any breath effort. Release all effort. Every single muscle in the body softening and surrendering into the earth. Begin to connect back to your breath. And start to take slightly deeper inhalations and long, soft, soothing exhalations. Gently move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, bring the knees into the chest and hug them in with your arms. Relax over to your right side, resting in a fetal position. You can use your arm as a pillow here. Slowly press up to seated. Bring the head and neck up last. Gather the hands at heart center. You're welcome to join me in the chanting alone, taking a nice deep breath in. Letting the head bow, taking a moment to recognize that light inside of you. And this practice today hopefully helps you to clean the glass so you can see that light shine more clearly. And as we say namaste, we honor the light that shines in all beings everywhere. Namaste. Thank you. Thanks for having me and letting me teach for you, interview for you. I'm available, so give me a call back. And if you want to know more about me, I have a whole about section on my website. It's sierralaurelyoga.com, so you can learn more about me as much as you want. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.